Plan B came out with what's called the stock to flow model a few years ago. So basically, what stock to flow means is you're comparing the stock, which is all the amount that has ever been created, divided by the flow, which is the new creation. And so, to give you some real world examples here, gold today has the highest stock to flow ratio. That's what makes gold the most valuable asset in the world today because it's the most scarce. So if you take all the gold in the world and divide it by the amount of new gold that gets mined every year, that stock to flow ratio is around 60-1. Bitcoin's stock to flow ratio today is around 58-1. So it's a little bit less than gold. But in April, what happens is that the flow gets cut in half because of the halving. And so Bitcoin's stock to flow ratio goes from 58-1 to 116-1 in April. So what happens in April for the first time ever is that Bitcoin will be the scarcest asset on earth. And if the total gold supply is worth $12 trillion and Bitcoin's worth about 1 trillion, then you would think that Bitcoin's would be worth more than gold and it should go up 12x. And in fact, since it's almost double the scarcity of gold, it probably should be almost double that. And so that's what this model measures. So this model says that Bitcoin should be worth about $100,000 today. In a couple of years, it should be worth $1 million of Bitcoin. And around 2030, it should be worth about $10 million of Bitcoin based on the stock to flow model. And this model is very, very accurate. It's 94% correlated to the historical price of Bitcoin.